Before we begin, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. All tools and methods shown in this video are intended for learning, testing, and device repair on phones you legally own or have permission to service. We do not support or encourage any illegal activity, including unauthorized unlocking, FRP misuse, or bypassing mobile security systems. Always follow your local laws and manufacturer guidelines before using any repair tool. The creator of this video is not responsible for any damage, data loss, or issues that may occur while using these tools. Use everything shown in this video at your own risk. Now let's get started. What is this tool? This is a powerful Windows tool specially designed for UNISOC smartphones. It works in both download mode and diag mode, allowing you to connect your device and perform various repair and service operations. The 2026 beta version adds more advanced control options and improves stability. It supports firmware flashing, FRP removal, partition management, and IMEI operations, making it a complete solution for UNISOC device servicing. Let's talk about the connection and setup features. This tool supports download mode and diag channel connections. It clearly shows indicators when FDL is loaded and when the diag connection is successfully established. You can set the I/O timeout to 5,000 milliseconds, manually select the USB port, and enable automatic reboot after completing operations. Additional features include repartition, enable or disable options, RSA exploit bypass, and a dark theme mode for better user experience. Inside the tool, you will find three main sections: the Download Tool tab, the Diag Tool tab, and the Unlock Tool tab. For device management, this tool allows you to install the required drivers, open the device manager, identify the connected phone, and read complete device information. You can power off the device, perform a factory reset, enter diag mode, calibration mode, or factory test mode. When working with firmware and partitions, the tool lets you load FDL1, FDL2, or PAC firmware files. You can set FDL addresses, keep NV data, erase or read partitions, and flash full firmware safely. The Unlock and FRP section provides multiple erase options, including FRP only, data plus FRP, and several recovery-based wipe and format methods depending on your situation. IMEI operations are also included. You can read and write IMEI1 and IMEI2, as well as send AT commands directly from the tool interface. Now let's take a look at the supported models. This tool supports a wide range of UNISOC-powered smartphones. From INFINIX, supported models include Hot 10i, Hot 12 Play, Hot 30i, Hot 40i, Smart 6a, and Smart 6b. From TECNO, supported devices include Pop 2, Pop 5, Pop 5 Go, Pop 5 LTE, Pop 6, Spark 7, Spark 7 Pro, and Spark 8C. From ITEL, supported models include a 17, a 23 series, a 25 series, a 26, a 27, a 33 plus, a 49, a 50, a 55, a 56 series, a 57, a 58 series, a 60, and the Vision series. From Realme, supported UNISOC models include C11, C21Y, C25Y, C29Y, C30, C31, C33, C35, C53, and Narzo 50A Prime. It also supports Gioni models such as F10 and Max, and Andromax Prime, all running on UNISOC chipsets. So, why is this tool useful? Because it supports many UNISOC models, performs FRP and flashing tasks efficiently, supports IMEI read and write operations, and offers a clean, easy-to-use interface. This makes it especially useful for mobile repair technicians and service centers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. If there are any mistakes or shortcomings in this video, please accept my sincere apologies. Your feedback and support help us improve and bring you better content in the future. Thanks for watching.